Hi, I'm Andrew with the Porsche Exchange, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery in your Porsche key fob. There are two types of keys for late model Porsches. Both take the CR 2032 battery. We are going to start replacing the battery in this key, as you can see. What you'll need to do is remove the blade from the top there. A couple ways to do that. Most ways you can use your finger or thumb pressing up, or if it requires a little more pressure, you can even use the battery or another type of tool by just pressing up on that tab. So remove that blade all the way out. Then you'll then use two thumbs on top to pry either left and right side off, like that, which then exposes the battery cover here in the center. You can remove that with your thumb or a tool, but really, honestly, the easiest way is to use the key blade by turning that to the left in the center there, and then taking the cap off with your thumb. Pop the old battery out, the new one in, positive up, negative down. You'll then reinstall the cap we have here, like that. And then again, you can use either the key blade or your thumbs to get it back into its position. We're going to then install the left and right sides of the key itself. Left there, right next. Slide the key blade back in top. See that red light? You know it's working. We're going to go on to the next key here, as you can see. This one's a little bit more simple. You're going to slide this slider up here from left to right. You'll then use your thumb to push up. So I'm going to push that from left to right, push that up. You'll then pry just a tad to remove the cover. Again, old battery, new battery, positive up, negative down. Snap this back into place like that, and you're done.